Hi, I'm Matt,
And I'm Lauren.
and we're the owners of Shankweiler's Drive-In in Orfield, Pennsylvania.
It is the middle of November, and we have a lot of stuff coming this month.
But before we jump into all these events, the movies this week are Venom. Was it?
Well, I thought that would be part of what's happening in November.
I keep trying to say Venom: The New Batch, which is a Gremlins movie, so I don't know why I get the two mixed up. But that's
Venom: The Last Dance, which is the brand new one.
Followed by Smile 2.
Also the brand new one.
And we didn't take these right when they came out because we were doing other stuff. So here we are, we've caught up, and we've got a lot of fun things right on the horizon, including the premiere of Wicked next week.
We are so happy to finally be showing Wicked. We saw a screening of it, and we've been excited ever since. So it's fun that it's finally here.
I don't love musicals, it's not my thing, but Wicked's pretty cool. So we're very excited to bring it here and blast it on our giant drive-in screen. I think that's a great look. I know, my hands. She was like, don't move your hands around. Here I am. I can't.
Giant drive-in
big
screen.
Drive-in screen.
For Wicked, we have a lot of fun events. We have some vendors joining us, so it's going to be just a really special little weekend. The movie starts on Thursday, November 21st. And then Friday, November 22nd, we have Hijinks Brewing coming. They are a local brewery from here in the Lehigh Valley. So this, I think, is their second time coming.
Second time here, yeah.
We really enjoyed having them the first time. Saturday, we have Hayden's Confections, which is another local company. She makes these incredible, delicious sugar cookies. They're going to be shaped like Wicked. I don't know what that means yet. We have a nonprofit called Joyful Giving who will be here on Saturday too with some little activity. So stay tuned for more information about that. Next Sunday, November 24th, is going to be our open caption screening of Wicked, but we'll also be partnering with the Wicked Botanist, which is a plant company here in Allentown, and they have a shop in Bethlehem as well. They're going to be doing a customer appreciation event, so we're open to the public, but they'll also have a presence here, so we're very happy to be working with them.
And open caption screenings, by the way, are this weekend as well. Both Venom, The Last Dance, and Smile 2 will be presented with complete on-screen captions, so you have that to look forward to. And we also locked in our co-feature for Wicked next week, and you heard it here first. We are going to be playing Twisters alongside Wicked. That will be our second feature for the week. The Glenn Powell movement continues here at the drive-in. The co-feature for the second week of Wicked is not determined yet. And then the third week of Wicked is very special because Wicked's going to stay at that 7 o'clock showtime. But we kick off our holiday matinee events with a independent film called Saint Nick of Bethlehem. It stars our good friend Danny Roebuck, and it was shot and produced locally here in the Lehigh Valley. It's about the Lehigh Valley, and we're really excited to have this film bring in and kick off our holiday matinee series. That means 5 o'clock showtimes every weekend in December. We'll see you soon. We'll see you at the movies. We'll see you under the stars, and we'll see you. Bye.